Hey Spencer,
Hey Al.
how cool would it be if you could just go into your car settings, have it clean out the debris in your oil filter, and reduce the frequency of oil changes?
Well, that'd be pretty cool. Do you change your own oil?
No, but we've been talking about the ABB ACQ580 built-in pump application control program, and I just can't wait for more cleaning innovation like their pump cleaning feature.
Yeah, the pump cleaning feature is pretty cool. It assists with clearing pumps in wastewater applications. It gives you configuration options such as start-stop, time intervals, pump conditions, and manual activations. It really reduces the time and cost associated with lifting and cleaning pumps.
And improved operational efficiency.
Well, who wouldn't want that?
So to find out more, check out logic-control.com/knowyourflow for all of these ACQ 580 features and how knowing your flow can save municipalities energy, time, and money.